This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Scott Fogel. Virtual tour available. Welcome to 10,059 Antori Drive in the sought-after Villa Palmeras community. This meticulously maintained, end-unit villa offers a blend of modern comfort, privacy, and a low-maintenance lifestyle. Built in 2014, this newer construction property is perfect for those seeking quality and convenience, with the security and peace of mind of no flood zone. The heart of the home features a spacious kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a natural gas stove, perfect for cooking enthusiasts. Enjoy your meals in the four-season sunroom or unwind on your screened-in front porch, which offers a peaceful, private retreat. Flexible den/office space can easily serve as an additional bedroom, offering versatility to suit your needs. With southern exposure, this home is bathed in natural light throughout the day, enhancing the open and airy feel. The two-car garage provides ample space for vehicles and storage, while the low-maintenance ownership means you can enjoy life without worrying about lawn care. It's all included through the low HOA fees. Villa Palmeras boasts a community center with a resort-style swimming pool, grilling area, cabanas, and a serene boardwalk for short nature walks. Conveniently located with easy access to I-75, US 41, and a breadth of local dining and entertainment options, you'll enjoy being close to everything you need while still being tucked away in a private setting. Whether you're relaxing at home or exploring the surrounding area, this property offers the perfect combination of comfort, convenience, and lifestyle. Don't miss the opportunity to make this beautiful property your next home. For more information, review the details below.